Hello and welcome to our tutorial where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of 3D web development with React and Three.js. Today, we're focusing on a unique project, the Airplane 3 game, a dynamic airplane control simulation built using cutting-edge web technologies. This project leverages the power of React for building user interfaces and Three.js for rendering 3D graphics in a web browser. We've designed a set of airplane controls that allow for realistic and responsive flight simulation. The hook takes two arguments, a reference to the airplane model and the camera. It uses React's useref to maintain state without causing re-renders, crucial for smooth animation. Our control system includes features like variable speed, yaw, pitch, and roll adjustments, providing a realistic flight experience. We've integrated a physics system to simulate real-world motion. Variables like plane speed, yaw velocity, pitch velocity, and roll velocity are adjusted based on user input, emulating the complex dynamics of airplane movement. Additionally, we use quaternion and Euler angles for accurate rotational calculations. User inputs, detected via keyboard events, alter the airplane's speed and direction. Our game loop, triggered by request animation frame, continuously updates these values, resulting in fluid and realistic movement. In conclusion, the Airplane 3 game project demonstrates the robust capabilities of React and Three.js in creating immersive 3D web experiences. Through our detailed breakdown, we hope you've gained insights into building your own 3D simulations. Tablet demonstration. Now, as you can see on my tablet here, when I press the keys, the airplane responds immediately. The responsiveness and fluidity you're seeing are due to the optimized rendering and state management in our code.